I'm bored. Gonna make my dog army. Gonna make a dog army on Minecraft. I'm a little awkward, so yeah. Ow, that hurt my ears. Go away, notification. Yes, my name is beautiful. I don't know why I'm a girl. I'm gonna fix my hair real quick. Ignore my brother in the background. He's talking to his friends. You know what? I'll fix it later. That was weird. I don't know why I was wearing them if I wasn't listening to any music. Made 0 sense why I had them on. There's like 50 different cords on my bed and it's hilarious. Just staring at my little sister.
I'm getting mad because they kicked out Drake.
Yeah. There are bunches of grown adults playing Roblox.
No, Among Us. And
They
they're in adults, the teens.
Same thing. Why are we even talking about this? I'm just trying to make my dog army.
Because you want to know what I'm making. You said I had to let you see it.
Yeah, I know, because I like looking at all your projects.
Yeah, which they suck.
No, they don't. Just I'm better.
No, you're not.
So true. I suck at everything I do. Oh my god, my game's taking forever. It's been 2 minutes of loading screens.
Sucks to be you.
I know. I'm bored. Is it finally done? Or am I gonna wait another 2 minutes for this to load?
What are you playing?
Minecraft. And more like Minecraft right now. Sorry. This is not worth my time, man. It's just loading screens. Are you done yet? Are you done yet? Can I please play my game now? Or am I just gonna sit here and watch it load? So bored. So, Madeline, how was your day so far? Oh, it loaded. Finally! Tree. Why did I have to land in a tree? Going to find a good place to make my dog army. There's a pig. It's so laggy. Okay, I heard pig. I heard Technoblade. Where did they go? Where did Technoblade go? Oh. I see Technoblade and Technoblade Jr. Are you serious? My game is so freaking laggy. Why? Why controls hate me? Okay, you guys sit there. And I accidentally hit them. But that's fine, man. Well, that was something. Come here, tiny one. Come here, you tiny child. Come here, you tiny child. I want to tame the tiny child. Now let me. There we go. Tiny child. So tiny. Such a tiny child. So far, this is my dog army. I need names. Oh, tiny child. Come here, you. I feel like this one's the idiot of the group. Why aren't you teleporting, man? Unless it's not tamed, and I'm pretty sure I tamed it. Oh, nope, I have not. Oh my god, I'm stupid. This is a weird sight. Oops. Please don't kill the other dog. What are you doing? You know what? You do you. This is my wolf pack. Are you done dancing? I would place a spawner, but I really don't want to. My game's already too laggy for that, so. They're so cute! Okay, so this is my army so far. You guys choose names. This is my tiny child. Oh, it's so cute! This is so adorable. Look at you. You're so tiny. Do do do. Do do do. I forgot where. There it is. Let me dye your collar. There we go. Okay, tiny child's different from the rest. Kill the brown sheep. Kill the sheep. Hi, Technoblade. Hi, Technoblade's tiny child. He's taking the orphan away. What do you want, Technoblade? Go away, Technoblade. Get out of here, Technoblade. I am so weird. Alright. Go away. Go in the water. Get off my island.